Trucking Preacher coming at you again. Today I want to talk about Jesus' walk. It was a very long walk. It was a painful walk. But what we want to highlight within that situation is that he never walked alone. When Jesus' walk progressed, he picked up a new apostle along the way. And before he knew it, he had a crowd of hundreds, thousands of people trying to follow him. As he taught, everybody listened. Now, let's talk about that a little bit, because this journey, this walk could not have been anything like easy. Walking through mountains, sometimes barefooted for miles and miles and miles, just to get to the next city to preach his word. That's how important it was to him. Okay? To express the word to us and leave us with that word, of which we talk about today. Case in point. Now, everybody tried to go against him during this walk. He had people coming out of the woodworks trying to stop him from getting to his next location. One of the main people that didn't understand his path in the beginning was Paul, said tax collector. Okay? And he asked him, Lord, basically, what is it about you that keeps these people coming? You know, and how can I be a part of this energy, this movement you have? I've done so much wrong. I've taken people's money. I've killed. I don't think I'm worthy to walk this walk with you. Jesus looked at him and said, you know what? If you can drop everything you're doing now, everything, walk away from it right now, this very second, and give yourself to me 100% wholeheartedly, and you can walk with me. And that's exactly what he did. He dropped it. He said, okay, I'm going to take your word, because I feel this energy, and I'm going to walk with you. His name became Saul shortly after, and he became part of Jesus' prophecy and testimony that if he could change a tax collector, a murderer, into a follower, then what else is there? It gets no worse. Why am I saying this? No matter how bad you think you are, no matter what you have done or how you've done it, you always got that chance to give it up 100% and walk with Jesus. Okay? Again, this is all new for me. Okay? But I'm walking that walk to the best of my ability. And that's all I can give is my best. So as he progressed on, and people threw stones at him, people told the Romans on him they would try to meet him and cut him off and just hinder his road, he became stronger. And the stronger he became spiritually through trial and tribulation, because he saw he could take it. do this or do that. You can say this or say that. You can be this or be that. But I'm going to endure and continue my walk. And because of that marching, that walking, that relentlessness, he ended up with so many people that followed him and believed in him. And when he spoke, you felt him. This is how he contracted his masses. This is how he attracted his people. This is how he spoke to us in a language we spiritually understand. This is what I'm trying to do to you and for you on this very day. Speak in a language that you understand. I'm not here to quote every scripture. I'm not here to read out the Bible. I'm not here to do that. I'm here to say, hey, this is the 2023 version and beyond of how you should be looking at this and applying it to today's life. When you walk your walk, believe in what you're walking for. Believe in the purpose you have. Believe that there's someone watching you and over you, walking with you, beside you, making it easy for you to endure, giving you the ability to have perseverance because they set the example of walking through the fire. And what exactly that means, what exactly it looks like, we know, which gives us strength to walk today. Now, no one wants to walk alone. Lord knows I don't want to walk alone. But can I walk alone? I promise you I can. If I need to, I will. If I have to, it's no problem. I have the strength to do that. I have the ability to do that. I have the mindset to do that. Okay? Based on the examples, based on history, I know I can. Without question or doubt. I need you to know you can. And if you need me to walk with you, I will walk it with you. If you need encouragement, look at the examples set before you. You can do it. If you seek understanding, enlightenment, a spiritual balance, I can give you that. Okay? They don't call me the trucking preacher for nothing. I do this because I feel it. I don't do this for the reward. It makes me happy to do what I'm doing. It's part of my peace, which is what I'm seeking. My peace in my spirit. So when Jesus was walking and he needed those moments of peace, that was him gathering himself, gathering his strength to reapproach and show perseverance, show relentlessness, to show he can, to show the example of never giving up, of never sitting down until he reached his goal, which was to get to the next town and preach his word for those who would hear, that had an ear. These are things that we can look at in our darkest moments. We ask, dear Lord, this, dear Lord, that. And all he's simply saying is, you got your blueprint. I've already set the example. All you got to do is read a little bit, feel a little bit, see a little bit, and seek a little bit. And he'll take you the rest of the way. He will guide you the rest of the way. The words I speak are true. I'm a living proof. I am the example. He has touched me. He has walked with me. He has shown me how to walk. And I still got a ways to go because that mountain is steep. But I'm walking. I'm trucking. I'm trailing along. Inch by inch, step by step, 1 foot before the other. Because that's the example that was set. 1 foot before the other. No matter what the situation is, I keep 1 foot before the other. And I can never stop. I can never stop. Because the moment I stop, I get weak. There's no room for weak when you're walking. You gotta keep on walking. Just keep on walking. You can do it. I feel this in my heart. I know this in my spirit. Again, Chuck and Preacher. Till next time, keep on walking.